This is just actually seeing if you can read an output of a test. So in other words, they surveyed these 1,638 randomly selected adults. 550 of them have heard of a new electronic reader. So this technology display results, this is where they did the test for you, of the claim that 34% of adults have heard of the new electronic reader. So it says, is this test two-tail, left-tail, or right-tail? How I know it's two-tail, two ways. Here it says they're testing the claim that they have heard of this electronic reader, so they either heard of it or they did not. So in this case, 34% would be my null, and we're going to actually see that here on part D, and then not equal would be my alternative. However, I could just look here at the critical value and notice it says plus or minus, so that kind of led me towards it. What is the test statistic? Man, I kept getting this one wrong because I kept typing all that in, and I finally saw that it says round to 2 decimal. So learn to read. Math majors don't read. What is the p-value? You're just writing it from this table. This is a huge p-value. And so again, I mentioned the null hypothesis. This p-value is saying that this apparently I'm not going to reject because my p-value is greater than my significance, my alpha, and which is right there, 0.05, but I don't think you'll ever get an alpha this large. And so there is not sufficient evidence to warrant rejection of the claim, because my p-value is so large, that 34% of adults have heard of the new electronic reader. So in other words, we cannot reject this claim because we have such a large p-value.